used to just purchase parts on an as-needed basis, but those agreements have been a really key component to our operations.
So it started with the 14M3 motor grader. We got the CVA with it, and that was my first piece of equipment that I started the program with. And after that, I just put the CVA on every piece of CAD equipment that I own.
The benefit for me is from a budgetary standpoint, the ability to look out at this hours we need to budget for this service, which is going to be this cost, and the planning ahead and not relying on our staff to monitor when things need to be done, but know that that's all being taken care of as part of our agreement.
At the end of the life cycle of that machine, it will prove itself. If you're really truly tracking your maintenance and have a good program in place to track these things, oil sampling and manage your downtime, at the end of the life of that machine, it's a no-brainer. It'll prove itself.